Scholarships in Asia, Japan, China, South Korea. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you dreaming of studying abroad, but the cost of tuition and living expenses seems out of reach? What if we told you that you could get a full scholarship to study? In some of the most advanced countries in Asia, countries like Japan, China, and South Korea. These countries are not only home to some of the top universities in the world, but they also offer generous government and university scholarships to international students at the undergraduate, master's, and doctoral levels. In this video, we'll guide you through the most popular and fully funded scholarships in Japan, China, and South Korea. We'll show you how to apply, what the scholarships cover, key deadlines, and tips to increase your chances of getting accepted. Stick around because this could be the opportunity that changes your life. Number 1. Scholarships in Japan. Let's start with Japan, a country known for its high-quality education, innovation, and deep cultural heritage. Why study in Japan? Japan is home to world-renowned institutions like the University of Tokyo, Kyoto University, and Osaka University. The country is also known for its advanced research, safety, and clean cities. Studying in Japan offers a unique experience of both traditional and modern living. Top scholarships in Japan. 1. MEX Scholarship Manbakagakusho Scholarship. The MEXT Scholarship is the most prestigious and fully funded scholarship offered by the Japanese government. It is available to undergraduate students, research students, master's and doctoral applicants, teacher training participants, and Japanese language students. What does it cover? Full tuition fees. Monthly living stipend ranging from 117,000 to 145,000 Japanese yen. Round-trip airfare from your home country to Japan. There are 2 main ways to apply: through the Japanese embassy in your country, embassy recommendation, directly through a Japanese university recommendation. Each method has its own deadlines, so start researching 6 to 8 months before your intended start date. 2. YASO Scholarships Japan Student Services Organization. YASO offers scholarships to self-financed international students who are already enrolled in a Japanese institution. These are usually short-term scholarships with monthly stipends around 48,000 yen. Some are offered automatically through university recommendation, while others require application. 3. University-specific scholarships. Many Japanese universities offer their own merit-based or need-based scholarships. For instance, the University of Tokyo offers the Peak Scholarship for international students. Waseda and Keio universities provide various types of aid to cover tuition and living costs. Private universities may offer tuition reduction programs or partner with government scholarships. How to apply? To apply for Japanese scholarships, you typically need academic transcripts and certificates, letters of recommendation, a statement of purpose or research proposal for graduate studies, language proficiency proof for Japanese programs, or TOEFL IELTS for English programs. Start your preparations early, especially for the MEXT Scholarship, which has a highly competitive selection process. Number 2. Scholarships in China. Now let's move on to China, a rising global power that is investing heavily in international education. Why study in China? China offers a vibrant academic environment with rapidly expanding English-taught programs. With top universities like Tsinghua University, Peking University, and Fudan University, students benefit from world-class education at a lower cost of living compared to many Western countries. Key scholarships in China. 1. CSC Scholarship Chinese Government Scholarship. Administered by the China Scholarship Council (CSC). This is the most popular and widely available scholarship for international students in China. It's available for undergraduate, master's, doctoral, and non-degree programs. The CSC scholarship offers full or partial tuition waiver, free accommodation or housing stipend, Monthly living allowance ranging from 2,500 to 3,500 Chinese yuan. Comprehensive medical insurance. You can apply in 3 ways: through the Chinese embassy in your country Type A, directly to the university in China Type B, through a third party or designated program Type C. Each type has slightly different application procedures, but all require submission through the CSC online portal. 2. Confucius Institute Scholarship. This scholarship is designed for students who want to study the Chinese language, culture, and teaching. It provides opportunities for both short-term and full-degree programs and includes tuition, accommodation, a monthly stipend, and insurance. 3. Provincial and municipal scholarships. Chinese provinces such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangdong, and Zhejiang offer their own scholarship programs. These are typically available to students studying at universities within the province. These scholarships can be applied for alongside university admission or after enrollment, and usually provide tuition discounts or partial stipends. 4. University-based scholarships. Top-tier universities in China often have internal scholarships for international students. For example, Tsinghua University offers the Schwarzman Scholars Program for Leadership. Peking University's Yanqing Academy provides full scholarships for interdisciplinary master's degrees. Fudan University has scholarships for academic excellence and financial need. Required documents. Typical application documents include degree certificates and academic transcripts, personal statement or study plan, 2 letters of recommendation, a valid passport, HSK certificate for Chinese medium programs or TOEFL, IELTS for English programs, admission letter for some CSC applicants. Deadlines usually fall between December and April, depending on the university and scholarship type, so mark your calendars early. Number 3. Scholarships in South Korea. Let's head to South Korea, a country rapidly growing in international appeal due to K-pop, high-tech innovation, and academic excellence. Why study in South Korea? South Korea is known for its fast-paced, technology-driven society and high educational standards. Top institutions like Seoul National University, KAUST, Yonsei University, and Korea University rank highly in global university rankings. It's also a safe, vibrant country for international students. Key scholarships in South Korea. 1. Global Korea Scholarship GKS, formerly known as the Korean Government Scholarship Program KGSP. The GKS is one of the most generous and prestigious scholarships in Asia. It's available for undergraduate, master's, and doctoral degree programs. The GKS covers full tuition fees, monthly living allowance about 9,001,000,000 Korean won, round-trip airfare, Korean language training for non-Korean speakers, medical insurance. There are 2 main tracks. Embassy track. Apply through the South Korean embassy in your country. University track. Apply through participating Korean universities. Embassy track allows you to apply to 3 universities. University track is direct but more competitive. 2 Korean university scholarships. Many Korean universities offer full or partial scholarships to outstanding international applicants. These often depend on academic merit or English language proficiency. Examples include SNU Global Scholarship offers tuition and monthly stipend for graduate students. KAUST International Scholarship fully funds international students in science and engineering. Yonsei University Underwood International College Scholarships. Full and partial scholarships for undergraduate students. Each university has its own application window and requirements, so always check their international office website for details. 3 Industry-focused programs. For students from developing countries or those pursuing technology fields. There are government and industry scholarships such as the Korea IT Scholarship. These often include internships, job placements, or research grants. How to apply: academic transcripts and certificates, study plan and personal statement, recommendation letters, passport and photos, language proficiency scores TOEIC for Korean programs, TOEFL IELTS for English programs. GKS deadlines typically fall between February and March for graduates, and between September and October for undergraduates. How to increase your chances? Let's go over some powerful tips to boost your chances of winning any of these scholarships. Starterly. Application windows open months in advance. Gather your documents ahead of time and follow each program's timeline. Tailor your personal statement. Explain why you chose that country, that university, and how your goals align with the program. Be specific, passionate, and genuine. Strong recommendations matter. Choose recommenders who know you well and can speak confidently about your abilities. Give them enough time to write a quality letter. Master the language requirements. If applying to Chinese, Korean, or Japanese programs, begin preparing for HSK, TOPIK, or JLPT exams early. For English programs, aim for a TOEFL or IELTS score higher than the minimum requirement. Apply to multiple programs. Don't rely on one scholarship. Apply to several universities, government programs, and city-level scholarships for better odds. Scholarships in Japan, China, and South Korea are more accessible than many people realize. If you put in the time to research and prepare your application, you could be flying out on a fully funded educational adventure within the next year. So don't wait for opportunities to apply for them. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want help preparing your scholarship documents or understanding the process, let us know in the comments or check out the links in the description. Subscribe for more educational content. And as always, keep dreaming big and reaching higher.